Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. We're diving into the world of floating point precision and exploring a scenario where a mathematical expression might not behave as expected. In this case, we're looking at the 2x equals x problem and wondering if it holds true under certain conditions. Let's see what's going on. In the solution provided, we learned that the seemingly surprising result actually stems from the way arithmetic is performed in floating point format. Even though logically subtracting 2x from x should result in x, the internal representation and manipulation of the numbers can lead to unexpected outcomes. By examining a hypothetical scenario with 4-bit significance, we could see how precision can be lost in the computation, ultimately yielding a different value than expected. Now that we've explored the intricacies of floating point arithmetic and the nuances of precision in mathematical expressions, it's time to wrap things up. Remember, when working with floating point numbers, even seemingly straightforward operations can have unexpected outcomes due to the nature of their representation. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any other quirky math puzzles you'd like to see next time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time,